Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
SSL is a cryptographic protocol that uses explicit connections to establish secure communication between web server and client. TLS is also a cryptographic protocol that provides secure communication between web server and client via implicit connections. It's the successor of SSL Protocol .23 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
This could arguably make SSL, TLS belong to Layer 5, session layer. SSL, TLS can arguably be called a transport protocol for the application data that the web browser is trying to display to the end user. This puts it at around layer 6 to 7 depending on how you want to argue for presentation versus application. Layer 0.16 February 2020.
Take our lead.
HTTPS is just the HTTP protocol but with data encryption using SSL, TLS. SSL is the original and now deprecated protocol created at Netscape in the mid-90s. TLS is the new protocol for secured encryption on the web maintained by IETF.
Let's help you make your mark.
Transport Layer Security, TLS, is the successor protocol to SSL. TLS is an improved version of SSL. It works in much the same way as the SSL, using encryption to protect the transfer of data and information. The two terms are often used interchangeably in the industry, although SSL is still widely used.
Make your mark, take our lead.
As of Chrome version 79, released last week, Chrome will start support and start enabling DNS over HTTPS, DO, and sites using TLS 1.0 and TLS 1.1 certificates for encryption will be marked as insecure. 18 December 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is an IETF standard intended to prevent eavesdropping, tampering and message forgery. Common applications that employ TLS include web browsers, instant messaging, email and voice over IP. 9 November 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.